Hi guys, I'm now going to show you how to link your capture page to your single opt-in list. Okay, I'm in the list which I made in a different video, and I'm in the forms. So the standard form will say email first name. So if you want to just drag it up so that the first name comes above, you can do that. Or if you just want the email, you can delete that. But for the purposes of this, we'll have first name and email. So you need to make sure you've done that first before you do the website catch page. I'm in a blank Builderall website builder, and I'm in a blank panel, and I want the email marketing form, which is found in the elements. So all I do is that, drag and drop. Then I look for the single opt-in, which should come up first name, email in that order. Okay, so let's go back over to here. It's here. I haven't put the name in this one. Update. To get rid of that word there, you right click, go into general settings, and you click off that. Save it. We're going to publish it, but then we're going to unpublish and publish. So we're going to unpublish, publish. To change the name of this website, you just simply go to settings, and you can name it single opt-in. Single opt-in. Save. Republish. Now let's go to the website page. There you go, it's worked. That's all you do for this one. And on the next one, I shall show you how to do a double opt-in with a capture page. If you'd like to see Builderall, click the link in the description.